Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. Today I am showing you a close-up look at a new doll pattern. This is the mini Waldorf inspired dolls pattern, and you can see the basic doll design creates a 13-inch doll, which is 13 inches basically standing and a bit shorter when seated. The pattern includes crocheted hair, which are these gorgeous ringlets, and the skirt is sewn directly onto the doll. Pattern also includes directions for a little cardigan, a shawl collar cardigan, and it has knit look ribbing and knit look edgings. And the other doll that I made, the same type of doll, I just used a different color for the skirt, different type of yarn. And for her I made a little capelet or cape. So that's comes to about her wrist length when worn, and it's quite a cute little dress-up pattern. So even though the skirt is attached as part of the doll, you can still do dress-up with the little cardigan or cape. And I made the samples using a DK weight yarn and an F hook, and they turned out really cute. I used safety eyes for the samples, but you can also embroider them. And these patterns are available separately or also as part of the 15 years celebration ebook, which is in my Ravelry store. And also included in that same ebook are a couple new designs. This is the knit look basket weave afghan, and another design here as well that I've recently released. You can find all of these in the 15 years celebration ebook. So check those out, and happy crocheting!